Hi friends, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil. Friends, I am coming with one important news regarding RRB JEE CBT1 exam schedule. I think all of you know about this important news. RRB releases JEE exam dates, that is from, here given that from 22nd May, from 22 hours. First stage CBT exam schedule. And here given some details about this exam dates. The first one, viewing of the exam city and date intimation. They will give that the link will be published in RRB's official website shortly. That means we can get the information about our exam city and date will soon. Okay. And given next one, download e-call letter. This e-call letter. That is given that 4 days prior to first stage CBT1 date. That means if a student have exam date on 22nd, he can download his call letter from 18 May. That is 4 days prior to first stage CBT1. And one more thing is given that the activation of mock link for first stage CBT1 is 12th May. That means we can log in with our credentials for this mock test and we can write the mock test. Okay. This is the information given in notification. Okay.
Now, I want to discuss RRB JEE CBT1 last stage preparation tips. We know that the scheme of examination. That is 100 questions, 100 marks, and the time given is 90 minutes. 90 minutes. And we have 4 sections. Math section, in this math, 30 questions, and reasoning and general intelligence, 25 questions, general science, 30 questions, and general awareness, 15. Okay, so total 100 questions, 100 marks. Okay, now I want to tell you one thing. 100 by 100 is not possible. Why? Because the question paper designs like that. Some of the questions very difficult and time consuming. So don't worry about this 100 by 100. And so don't worry if you left some of the topics in any section. Some of the topics in any one particular section. Okay. One more thing is that you have to more concentrate on remaining topics on that particular section. That is the most important thing. Okay. And all the BTech and diploma students have enough knowledge in mathematics and also reasoning. Okay, the remaining 2 sections are general science and general awareness. These 2 sections will decide your overall score and your selection for CBT2. Okay, so these 2 sections are very, very important, and we can attempt more questions within less time in these 2 sections. We know that in this third section, that is general science, in this general science there are 3 subsections are there. One is physics. We know very well about these sections. Chemistry and biology. Okay. Biology. Here in this physics and chemistry, we have completed almost all the topics as per CBSE syllabus. Okay. In this coming to physics, the most important topics are first one, units and dimensions. Units and dimensions, and light is very, very important topic. And motion and laws of motion, Newton's law of motion. And the next topic, electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism. And waves and sound. And heat and solar system, and some important scientists and their inventions. These are very, very important for this railway JEE exam. Okay, so more concentrate on these topics, you will get maximum score. Okay, and coming to the chemistry. And coming to the chemistry, the most important topics are atomic structure, and second one acids, bases, and salts. This is very important topic. And metals and non-metals. In metals, sodium compounds, magnesium compounds, potassium compounds, calcium compounds, and iron compounds. These are very important. And coming to the non-metals, in these non-metals, carbon compounds are very important. In these carbon compounds, there is allotropes of carbon, that is diamond, graphite, and C60. These are very important. And coming to these carbon compounds, there are several organic compounds of carbon. These organic compounds are very important. Okay, and some more concept in this chemistry are chemical bonding, and periodic table, and highest and lowest properties. This is very important. Highest and lowest properties of elements. And one more topic is fibers and plastics. These topics are very important for our railway JEE exam. Okay, in our academy, we have covered almost all these basics of these topics in physics and chemistry. Okay, the total physics classes are nearly 8.5 hours, and chemistry is 6.5 hours. That means total in 15 hours you can learn basics of both physics and chemistry. And we have also given 300 most important bits in physics and 350 most important bits in chemistry. Okay, if you want all the classes PDF notes, you can visit our official website, that is www.sunilengineeringacademy.com. Then you will find all the PDF of these theory classes of physics, chemistry, and 300 most importance of physics, bits of physics and chemistry, and also biology notes and 300 important bits. Okay, now the remaining is biology. This biology strategy already given by Bharat sir. Okay, and now the next section is general awareness. It has weightage of 15 marks. Okay, in this general awareness, we have static GK. In this static GK, that is, there is a miscellaneous topics, that is who is who, and some important inventions, and the persons, and awards, like that. And in this static GK, that is, another section is polity, economy, and history, and geography. In these four, this geography is the most important. Geography has most important. Okay, and the next one is current affairs. Okay, we can observe all the previous papers of railway exams. They are given more weightage for this static GK. We can expect 10 questions from this static GK and remaining 5 questions from current affairs. Okay, in this polity, the most important topics are powers of ministers, that is powers of prime minister, powers of president, and list of prime ministers, list of presidents, and list of Lok Sabha speakers, like that. These are very important topics in polity. And some important amendments, and important some fundamental rights. These are very important. Okay, and coming to this geography, Bharat sir already discussed the geography classes. These classes are very important, and geography has more weightage than this polity, economy, and history. Nearly 3 marks has the weightage, 3 to 4 marks. In this economy, the most important topics are budget, and railway budget. Now the railway budget is mentioned into the main budget, and some plans, 5-year plans, like that. And census are very important. Okay, and in history it has a lot of syllabus. So mainly concentrate on modern history. Modern history. This is the most important one. Okay, these are the topics and most important in case of this general awareness. My advice is, if you did not start these two topics, economy and history, only concentrate on these important ones. Only concentrate on these important ones and left all remaining. Why? Because you have very less time and the exam date is 22nd, starts from 22nd May. That means you have very less time. So concentrate only on these most important ones. Okay. And coming to this current affairs, the most important topics are, first one, sports is the most important topics. And the second one, awards. Awards. Okay. Nobel Awards, Oscar Awards, Filmfare Awards, like that. Okay. And some important persons and some important government schemes. Okay, these are very important. And coming to this railways and railways, current affairs on railways and budget. Okay, these are very important current affairs topics. Okay, and in the sports, we know that the World Cups, that is the Hockey World Cup and Cricket World Cup and Football World Cup and their venues, and Olympics, Winter Olympics, Summer Olympics and their venues. These are very important, and how many medals India got in this Olympics, like that. Okay, these are very important. I have discussed important topics in general science and general awareness. Okay. I know that some of the students tense when they hear about these examination dates, like exam dates released, but my preparation is not completed and there is a lot of competition. Maybe I will not select. So it is better to stop my preparation here, like that. Friends, please don't tense. Why? Because if you tense means you will lose your confidence. You will lose your confidence. Okay, if you have the confidence, that will give you more positive energy and that will help in your preparation. Okay, and I want to tell you one more tip is that before 1 week of the exam, before 1 week of exam, RRB will release your exam date and exam center soon. Before 1 week of exam, better to stop your preparation. Better to stop your preparation of unknown topics. Unknown topics. That is your left out topics. Okay. Why? Because this 1 week is very effective and it will decide your selection. Okay. In this 1 week, the first thing is, on that first day, write at least 2 mock tests. 2 mock tests. These mock tests are very helpful for your preparation. In this 2 mock test, you will have the idea what are your strengths, what are your weakness. Okay, that means if you have weak in general science or general awareness, then try to concentrate 2 more days on this weekend topics. Okay, and you will gain the knowledge, and after that, then fourth day write another 2 mock test. Okay, then you will get idea, and you will, by writing these mock tests, the very important thing is that you will get the most important one, time management. The time management is very important for any competitive exams. Why? Because here 100 questions you have to attempt within 90 minutes. So the time management is the most important. Then you will get the idea when we write the mock test. Okay, this is the most important. So all the students must try mock test, that is full length, and on fourth day you have covered another 2 mock tests. Then already 4 days completed. You have 3 days. In these 3 days, you have to prepare or revise. Have to revise all the topics. That is formulas, in any formulas or methods in maths and reasoning section, and in general science, any important notes or concepts or formulas, and in general awareness, all the important topics. Just to revise all these in 3 days. Okay, then you have excellent idea on exam, and then you can surely selected for CBT 2. Okay, if you are job holder, you have less time, I know that. It is better to put leave at least 15 days before your exam date. In this 15 days, last 7 days is common. For like that, you have to must write mock test and prepare, as I said earlier. And before these 7 days, you have 8 days. In these 8 days, you have to concentrate on all the sections, that is maths, reasoning, and general science and general awareness. Okay, here take at least 1 or 2 days for one section, like that. You have 2 days for each section. Then cover all the topics, that is you have less time, so concentrate more on most important topics. If you are new to this channel and you are started preparation just before 10 days or 15 days, like that, in this case you have to must watch all the videos of physics, all the videos of chemistry, all the videos of biology. That means you will complete within 1 to 2 days. Within 2 days you will complete, and download all the PDFs of corresponding notes from our website, that is www.sunilengineeringacademy.com. And also I'll prepare most important topics or most important bits in physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, after that you have to prepare for general awareness. I have already told that the most important topics in general awareness, and you have enough knowledge in mathematics and reasoning. Okay, so in this way you have to prepare all these sections in 8 days, and the remaining 7 days you have to write the mock test. Okay friends, it is very important thing is you must write mock test. Why? Because here in any competitive exam, I already told, that is the time management is very important. We will make another video on this time management and negative marking. That is we have to attempt unknown bits or not, like we will explain, and we will make a video on this negative marking. Okay, in this way you have to prepare for RRB JEE exam. Okay friends, first of all, be confident, you will surely select. Here the total questions are, total marks are 100 marks, and the cutoff may be 70, around the 70 or 60. Why? Because there is a negative marking also there, and the selection is 1:15. That is, we know that the nearly 13,000 vacancies are there. 13,000 into 15, this much of vacancies, this much of students selected for CBT 2. Okay, so 60 to 70 may be cutoff, and this cutoff, this score may not useful for final selection. This is only for selection to CBT 2. Information or any playlist of videos, you have to visit our official website, www.sunilengineeringacademy.com, and you can also contact us chelpline@gmail.com. Okay, thank you friends, all the best.